Alright, this is immediately after washing my face. I have so many blackheads. 1, 2. There's like hidden ones over here. And 1, 2. I think I need a pore mask. Get rid of all the gunk. But we're gonna do our nighttime routine. Let me wash my hair real quick. This is day 13 night routine after the day. And what did I tell you guys about the redness? She is irritated and inflamed. There's a lot of areas that's a lot more red than the rest, but yeah, I'm mainly focused on this bottom part of my face. Okay, I forgot the skin. So we washed our face, fresh and clean. This is my pigment suppression treatment plan before my chemical peel. I had to take a break a couple days because my skin was just not happy. She was irritated. So now that it's calmed down a lot more, we're gonna go ahead and start it back up. So this is the Hyla A by Emer Skin. This is their retinol, and it's, jeez. We're gonna do 1 to 2 pumps. So this is my first one. So we're gonna do that much. So here we go. This is not the first time I'm using retinol at all. It's just, this is the first time after the treatment that I'm using retinol. She is already inflamed. All right, next we're gonna go with our Rev Skin Fortified Lightener. This is the hydroquinone.
I'm not sure if I'm seeing this right.
This is their fortified lightener. We're gonna do 2 pumps. So with this. Oh, probably should have shook it. Okay, oh my god. So that much, and we're just gonna spread that all throughout our face. Okay, I feel like that's only 1 pump, but it's all good. We're gonna spread it half of the face. There we go, half of the face and half of the face. She is not happy with me right now. She's like, what are you doing? Rudolph is early to the party. Rudolph? All right, so we've applied the hydroquinone. I just hope I don't look this crazy tomorrow. Next, we're gonna do a refit phase. It's a good amount. Just gonna do that. All right, there we go. It's in the skin. Next, we're gonna go with High Spot. Okay. You know, funny thing, since I'm in a hotel called Marriott, did you know that you're supposed to say marry it instead of Marriott? Because how do you say Elliot? Do you say Elliot or Elliot? Well, that's what they said. I watched this video and that's apparently how you say it correctly. But I think it's very interesting that a lot of us, especially with my job, say Marriott instead of marry it. I know I'm doing too much. Marriott. That's Marriott. I'm in Marriott right now. I'm not in Marriott, but you can say whatever you want. I'm not stopping you. I just think it's hilarious. We're all saying the wrong thing, you know? I just think it's funny. That's all. Nothing too serious about it. I just think it's hilarious and interesting at the same time that most of us have been saying it the wrong way. And it's not even just us, you know, like people who work for Marriott actually say Marriott too. You guys, so now we're gonna do the Rev Skin Silver Moist Cream. Once again, this is the pigment suppression to prepare my skin for the chemical peel. All right, so now I'm probably doing too much, but I just hope I don't wake up looking like I'm waiting for Santa Claus when it's too early. You know, it's too early for that. So I just hope, like, see that? I need better recording equipment. The lighting in this bathroom is pretty good. It's just, I need better equipment. All right, so, all right, we're good. I'm not sure if they wanted me to apply Silogen on top of everything else or take a break and then apply Silogen. I'm not really sure. They told me if you see any redness, you apply it there. I'm not sure if I'm mixing the products too much, and I don't want that. You don't want that. Like, I'm gonna show you guys in a few hours how it looks after all that. I'm hoping for the best because I don't want to look like this when I go to work. So yeah, I'm hoping for the best. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.